Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make this 3D part. Its name is 3D modeling practice drawing 2. So let's make it. Now go to Solideworks part. Okay. Now first we make this front view or right hand side view. This plate we make this. Sketch. Select right plane. Now draw one rectangle. Select center rectangle. Give dimension to it. This is 100. 16. Okay. Now extrude it. Give extrude width to 5 mm. Okay. Now we make this plate. Now sketch on front plane perpendicular. Now make one rectangle. Give dimension. This is 90. And the width is 6 mm. Okay. Now extrude it. Total extrude is 170 and we have to subtract 5 mm. 165. Okay. Now give chamfer to these two edges. Select chamfer. Now select two edges. The angle is 45 and distance is 10. 10 chamfer. Okay. Now chamfer is created. Now we have to make these 2 holes, 3 holes. Select this plane perpendicular. Make one circle. Give dimension. Dimension of the circle is 6.8 mm diameter. Okay. Now give relation to it. Horizontal and give dimension 9 mm. Okay. Now extrude cut it through. Okay. Now we have to create 2 more holes on this plane. So with use of linear pattern. So select linear pattern. Now select direction. For direction we can select this edge. Okay. And the distance is 52 mm. 52. Okay. Now select feature. This feature. And select 3. Okay. The holes are created. Now we have to create 4 more holes on this plate. So select sketch and select this plane perpendicular. Now select circle, make one circle. Diameter of this hole is 5 mm. 5. Now give some relation. This is 60, this is 40, so this is 10, this is 180, also this is also 10. So give dimension 10, also this is 10. Okay. Now extrude cut it through. Okay. Now also with help of linear pattern we can create these other three also. So select linear pattern. Now this time we have to select two direction. One is this and one is this. So select direction 1, select this line. For direction 2, select this. Now distance between these two holes in direction 1, this is 80. Okay. And distance in this direction is 40. Now select 2 here and say 2 here. So okay. So our part is ready. We can see it from front view, right view and top view. Now for see the section view, you can use this command, section view. We have to see this plan. So drag it towards. Okay. Select right view. Now you can see this. This view. This is created. So thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below. Thank you.